Good morning, and welcome to Lina English Podcast, your safe and friendly place to practice real English every day. Today is not just another day. Today is your challenge day. Your voice matters. Your English journey is unique. And you're here, right now, because you want to grow. So let's begin this one-day speaking challenge together. We will go step by step. I will say a sentence. You will listen. Then you will repeat it. Not once, but twice. Slowly, clearly, with confidence. You don't need grammar books. You don't need to study rules. You need practice. Real practice. So let's practice together. Part 1. Morning routine. Simple sentences. Repeat after me. I wake up early. Did I wake up early? I open my eyes slowly. Did I open my eyes slowly? I smile. Did I smile? It's a new day. Did it's a new day? I stretch my arms. Did I stretch my arms? I sit on my bed. Did I sit on my bed? I say, good morning. I say, good morning. I go to the bathroom. Did I go to the bathroom? I brush my teeth. Did I brush my teeth? I wash my face. Did I wash my face? I feel fresh. Did I feel fresh? I go to the kitchen. Did I go to the kitchen? I make a cup of tea. Did I make a cup of tea? I sit at the table. Did I sit at the table? I drink my tea slowly. Did I drink my tea slowly? I look outside. Did I look outside? The sky is blue. The sky is blue. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. I feel happy. Did I feel happy? I say, let's start the day. I say, let's start the day. Encouragement break. Take a deep breath. You are doing something powerful. You are not just repeating words. You are building your English voice. Feel the words. Own them. Part 2. Everyday actions. Practical sentences. Repeat after me. I check my phone. I read my messages. I reply to my friends. I open my notebook. I write my to-do list. I get dressed. I choose my clothes. I wear a blue shirt. I comb my hair. I put on my shoes. I grab my bag. I walk to the door. I open the door. I take a deep breath. I step outside. I say, let's go. I walk down the street. I smile at my neighbor. I say, good morning. I wait for the bus. The bus arrives. I get on the bus. I sit near the window. I look outside. I see trees and buildings. I hear birds. I enjoy the ride. I feel calm. I feel ready. I feel strong. You are not only listening, you are becoming part of the language. With every word you speak, your English becomes more alive. Let's continue this journey. Part 3. Longer daily expressions. I usually wake up around 7 a.m. I like to start my day with a smile. After breakfast, I check my emails. I try to stay positive every morning. Speaking English every day helps me feel confident. I enjoy learning new words and phrases. I listen to English podcasts in the morning. I repeat English sentences to improve my pronunciation. My goal is to speak English fluently. Every day, I take one step forward. Even small steps lead to big success. I feel more confident with each practice session. English is not hard when I practice daily. I believe in myself and my progress. I am proud of how far I've come. My voice is stronger now. I can express myself better in English. I speak with clarity and confidence. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are part of the journey. I learn from every mistake I make. My pronunciation is improving. My vocabulary is growing every day. I understand more English now. I feel comfortable speaking English. I love practicing with shadowing. Repeating sentences helps me remember. I want to sound like a native speaker. I know I can do it with practice. I am doing my best, and that is enough.